Hi everyone, this is your Stuttering Tech, and I'm here with another one. Today I'm going to be showing you how to unlock your bootloader, root, and install TWRP on the Nvidia Shield TV, aka console. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is to install ADB on your Mac. Now you're going to want to head over to your browser, and you're going to want to do a search. I'm just going to go back here for ADB on Mac. You're going to scroll down and go to the link right here, the one that says the easiest way to install Android's ADB and Fastboot. You will go here and you will scroll down. Listen, you don't have to read all of that. You will scroll down until you get to I think I passed it, to this section right here with the download file. And you will download that zip file. Now I am on a MacBook Air, and it automatically extracts my download, and I do not end up with a zip file, just the folder. Um, for easy access, I've placed the Android folder that comes in as zip. When you download the ADB, it will come in a zip in an Android.Zip file, and you will extract it if you end up with a zip file. I didn't, and I put it on my desktop for easy access. And basically, what you want to do, you want to go and open up a terminal, of course. Then what you want to do is type CD space, and you can type the path that they have here on the website, which is desktop and / Android. That did not work for me. It didn't know the path. So basically what I did, I opened it up, and as you can see, the folder is right here. So what I did, I dragged the folder into the into the terminal, and it automatically puts the path out. And just press enter. Sorry about that. Then you follow the rest of the instructions here, where you could copy and paste it. Now you want to copy this part. Command C, and you go back to your terminal. Command V, and press enter. It will ask you to enter your password, and I will enter that. And that's it. It's fine. It's finished. It says have a nice day, and that's it. Fastboot installed. Now we're gonna head over to the Nvidia Shield website, and we need to grab a few things. Now you go to NvidiaShieldZone.com, and I will leave a link in the direct link in the description to where you need to go. But if you basically you go to NvidiaShieldZone.com, you go to Root Shield Android TV, and you need to be here under the pre-requirements. So you do not need minimal ADB and Fastboot, because we already installed that, and you do not need Shield family drivers. On the Mac, you do not need the Shield family drivers. Now I created a tutorial that I've took from this site, and I altered it to so it can work for the Mac. And of course I have it right here, as you can see. So I will have this in the description. Now the only thing you need to grab, as you can see, I already have it here. I have downloaded TWRP Recovery and Super User from the pre-requirements. Minimal ADB, Fastboot, and Shield family drivers not needed on Mac. Now, after you do so, now I must say one thing. When you download this, the TWRP Recovery, of course, I'm on a Mac, and it automatically extracts it, which is fine because you do need to extract the zip. But the super user, you need that to stay as a zip. So I don't know. but when I downloaded it, it automatically extracted it. Now, if you want it to be kept as a zip, you will. If you're using a mouse, you will want to right click, or of course on the MacBook Air without a mouse, you two finger click, and you want to download link as, and it will, and that's it. You put it where you want it, which will I prefer desktop, and it will be saved as a zip. I've already done this. Now you would want to extract the TWRP recovery image and put it into the Android folder that we got from the ADB and into the Mac. And you will put everything into the Mac. As you can see, I have a whole bunch of files in here, but here's my TWRP Shield TV.img. You will get this, and here is my super user zip. And that's all you really need. First thing you're going to need is to have a USB plugged in to your Shield TV, the micro USB to the full size USB that will go to your computer or to your Mac. As I will show you here, I have it plugged in to the back of my Shield TV right here. And I have my mouse and everything. The mouse will not be needed until until after you install TWRP. You can only use TWRP with a mouse. You will plug it into your Mac. You plug the USB into your Mac. Now I will show you this on my TV screen. And first thing is first, what you would want to do is you would want to go and make sure you have ADB debugging on. So what you want to do is you want to go down to settings. You want to go over to about. You want to go down to where it says build. Now I've already done this, so it wouldn't do for me. You want to click in there until it says developer mode, about 5 times until it says developer mode enabled. You want to get out of the settings, go right back in, go down to performances, and go right over, all the way over to the right to where you will have your developer options. You will click on that, you will go down to debugging, and you want to enable, you want to turn it from, you want to turn USB debugging on. And that's basically it. Now, you will get a notification asking you to allow the USB debugging. You want to check the box and then hit OK. Now, this might not, as the tutorial says, it might not happen right off the bat because on the Mac it did not happen right away. It happened when I entered the commands. Now you want to come back to your terminal, and what you want to do, you want to enter CD space, and you want to drag that Mac folder to get the path, and press enter. Then what you want to do is to check to see if it sees your device. So you want to go ./ADB devices, and you press enter, and it will show you your serial number, and that's how you know it sees your Shield TV. And around now you will get, if you didn't get it before, you will get that pop up on your screen asking you to allow ADB debugging or USB debugging. Now, and then you might have to do this again. You want to go ./ADB space reboot bootloader, and I'm going to press enter. I'm showing, and it should the Shield TV should automatically restart into AD into your Fastboot menu. Now the next step, you want to verify that your device is seen in Fastboot mode. You want to hit that / Fastboot space devices and press enter, and there you go. It picked it up. Now we want to come to the part that says time to unlock Bootloader. And of course, you will type, I'm not going to do this. I've already unlocked my bootloader. If I enter this, it will tell me my bootloader is already unlocked. Now, if you're on the 16 gig model of the Nvidia Shield TV, it will take about 7 minutes to unlock your bootloader. If you are on if you have the Pro version, which is the 500 gig, it will take up to 2 hours, and it does take 2 hours to unlock. So you want to enter this right here, which is that / Fastboot space OEM space unlock, and then hit enter, and you will do the procedure. Then after this process has done, you will you will go and you will hit continue on your box by you will want to hold on the power button on the back on the shield itself for 2 seconds and release it, and it will continue and it will restart your Shield TV. And then the next step you would want to do, you will want to and then you will want to repeat steps 7 and 8 to re-enable developer / USB debugging. So you will have to go ahead and do that process of enabling developer mode and enabling USB debugging and reauthorizing USB debugging. Now the next step would be to push the supersu.zip onto the SD into the root of your storage on your Shield TV. Now, what you want to do again, you want to verify after you have done steps 7 and 8 again. You want to go ahead and you would want to go ahead again, and you want to go that forward / ADB devices, and it will see your device. And you if you didn't get the pop up again like before, you will get now to reauthorize it. You want to go that / ADB push push with that / super user super su to be correct, supersu.zip space / SD card / and you want to hit enter, and it already pushed it over. Now you can also use this same command to push over apps, APKs if you would like. So you can also do it this way. I've pushed apps, I've pushed the videos over. I've done all of this by doing this simple command. Now what you want to do again, you want to go that / ADB reboot, bootloader. Press enter, and the shield should automatically restart into Fastboot. Now, again, as before, you want to verify your shield is connected into Fastboot mode. So that / Fastboot devices. Hit enter, and it picked up. You see that you're in Fastboot. Now, what you want to do, you want to install TWRP, which we will come. Now you want to come back into your terminal. That / Fastboot space boot space that / TWRP slash dash, to be exact, shield TV .img, and you want to hit enter, and you will get that. Please wait for a split second on your shield TV, and then it's finished. It tells you booting okay. Now everything is okay. Now you will want to go and install your super user so you can have your root. Now, as I said, now what you want to do is hit on the power button on the shield to cycle through the options, and you want to hit it once really quick, and it will go down to recovery kernel, and then you want to hold it for 2 seconds, 1, 2, and release it, and it will boot into TWRP Recovery. Here is where your mouse will come in handy. And as you can see, I have my ear mouse on, and I can move around. You want to go down to install. Now, the first thing is first. When you get in here, you will get a message asking you if you would like to if you would like to allow according. Let me check it out here. It says select boot recovery kernel into the Fastboot menu. You should see TWRP recovery screen. If you are asked if you want to preserve read only on the system, say yes. So when it asks if you want to preserve the read only, you want to press yes, and or you want to press yes, and it will and you will come into here. What you want to do is go to install, and your supersu.zip will be right over on the right hand side. You will hit that, and then you will swipe, or on your mouse you click it and swipe over, and it will flash super user. I have already have it installed, so I'm not going to do this step. I want to go back to my home. Now, after that's finished installing, you just want to hit reboot on here, and you want to hit system, and it should reboot back, and you are now rooted, and that's all. Everything is finished. There's nothing more to do. You can go ahead and install your apps. You can even though you have TWRP installed, you do not install ROMs using TWRP. You will have to go back to your terminal and basically follow the same procedure into installing ROMs. I will give you a tutorial in those coming in a few weeks. I will have more tutorial videos about installing ROMs using a Mac. And that's all for this video. Until next time, this is your Stuttering Tech. Enjoy your Shield TV.